new place for me today. Photography few dishes. Check where I am. In back is the gym, and here is the small cafe. You can order easy food and do your gym. Maybe I will be later do the gym and food. I photograph a few stuff. I show you how set up, and I hope will be nice to see something different place. I will be photographing only few places today. For this place, like you see, this is not like so beautiful photo, easy setup, everything. Somebody could think why I do that. I do that because some places need that photo. No, always is posh restaurant, expensive restaurant, good restaurant who need the photo. Everybody like coffee shops, like a bar, a sandwich bar, like this is sandwich bar, extra with the gym. Need some that's photo what you can use everywhere for social media. You can always send that email for company, ask maybe need that photo, who know will be use the photo on social media, maybe for delivery company or something like that. This is good for you to grow in food photography in like in a restaurant or something like that places. That's I do this is not big money, but always I learn to I have from this few profit. Like I learn how to work with the clients, I pitch more clients, I work in different situations. The light is not good, is the small places or something like that, and I easily work there, shoot, and for me is the best to learn quickly, work with the clients and grow in my company and have more experience.